from today.
Yes, yes, yes. How are you? Pleasure.
So you was very much into
Mainly with the companies, because political, but also know-how.
so investing in health. I have
And our Minister of Economy,
It's a pleasure.
Parliament to vote. To vote on it of sensitive, but now we open our doors. This cybersecurity, we need that. That will be all.
I think you have a really interesting opportunity with NATO.
Say they'd love to cooperate with us on this. We have to not enough anymore.
What is important? Some kind of arrangement. So we try to make better conditions for them. We